I'm starting a Shopify brand called Yokachi. The goal is simple: affordable products without sacrificing quality. No fake discounts, no greedy pricing, just fair value. And this is episode 1, Yokachi. Right now, the store is empty. No products listed yet, and I'm not hiding that. Today is just about setting the foundation. I'm building the website first. Clean layout, fast loading, no unnecessary apps. I don't want it to feel like a scam store. I want it to feel honest. Next, social media. I'm setting up Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok not to sell immediately, but to document the process. This isn't a brand pretending to be big. This is a brand growing in public. I don't know yet which product will win. I don't know how long this will take. But I do know this. I'm not here to get rich off people. I'm here to build something sustainable. And this is episode 1. Zero products, zero revenue, just work. If it works, you'll see why. If it fails, you'll see that too. This is Yokachi. See you in the next episode.